there, welcome back to this channel. I hope all of you are waiting to know what are we going to discuss today. I am teacher Adini from SMK Sarjana Utama. For today's episode, I am going to share with you something that is quite simple, yet a lot of students tend to get confused, especially when they want to use them. And that is grammar. Remember, grammar is what you use to write sentences. Some of you might think, well, it shouldn't be that difficult. And yes, it is not. As long as you know the grammar rules and the structures, you are good to go. For today's sharing, I am focusing on writing simple, compound, and complex sentences. There are many grammar rules and structures that we need to enhance to make our writing better. For today, let's focus on the basic one first. Firstly, we are going to look at the simple sentence. For simple sentence, it is focusing on subject, verb, and object. Let's take a look. Simple sentence contains a subject, a verb, and an object, and modifiers, which is the sentence enhancers. But it can only be one independent clause. In other words, one sentence only. For example, when you want to write a simple sentence, you need to have a subject, a verb, and the object. For simple sentence, it is only one independent clause. I kick the ball, which is one full sentence. This person kicked the ball. Let's take a look at the next one, which is compound sentence. Compound sentence are two sentences combined using conjunctions. Some of you might be thinking, what is conjunctions? Maybe your teachers have already told you about fanboys. We have, let me show you. Right, for conjunction fanboys, which is the basics one, it consists of for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. Fanboys. This is the basic conjunctions that you can use in your daily sentences. So what are compound sentences? It contains at least two independent clauses, which are two sentences combined. These two independent clauses can be combined with a comma, a conjunction, or with a semicolon. Alright, let's take a look at the example. Okay, the first sentence is, I kicked the ball. So the first sentence says, I kicked the ball. We use conjunction and. It hit Tom. If you look at here, there are two sentences combined using and as their conjunction. Next, we have complex sentence. Complex sentence, also two sentences combined using connectors. Just now was conjunctions, now connectors. What are connectors, you say? Let's take a look. Connectors are actually the words that we use in our daily life. So, in short, it's a wow about. What's a it's a wow about? So, it's a wow about consists of words like if, since, as, when, although, while, after, before, until, and because. It's a wow about. Maybe this will make it easier for you to understand. Right, so a complex sentence is a combined and a simple sentence together. For example, the sentences can be connected by using connectors or subordinating conjunction such as because or if. You want to say just now, I kicked the ball and it hit Tom. So you want to know what happened next. And for this one, we use conjunction because. Tom cried because the ball hit him. I kicked the ball, it hit Tom. So Tom cried because the ball hit him. That is the complex sentence. Okay. All together now. How are we going to use this sentence as a compound plus complex sentence. They are combined in one sentence. A compound complex sentence contains at least two independent clauses and at least one dependent clause. So just now I said, I kicked the ball and it hit Tom. That is two independent clauses. Next, we have dependent clause is where we said Tom cried because the ball hit him. And I apologize immediately, which means from the compound sentence just now, Tom cried because the ball hit him. And I apologize immediately, which means this is the dependent clause. It doesn't have an I and Tom, no. It's only an I apologize immediately. So this sentence consists of compound and complex sentences. So again, there are four types of grammar structures, which is simple, compound, complex, and all together is the complex and compound. To sum up, there are few grammar structures that every student must know. For example, simple, compound, complex, and complex compound. Knowing these basic grammar structures will help you to write your sentences correctly. That's the end of our lesson today. Don't forget to follow Kelas Bestari via All Sinar Bestari digital platform. Stay tuned!